Welcome to our step-by-step guide for beginners on creating a positive affirmations routine. In this video, we will walk you through the process of building a powerful and effective affirmations practice. Before we begin, let's first understand what positive affirmations are and how they can improve our mindset and overall well-being. Positive affirmations are statements that you repeat to yourself in order to challenge negative thoughts and beliefs. They can help you rewire your brain, boost self-confidence, and attract positivity into your life. The first step in creating a positive affirmations routine is setting clear intentions. Take some time to reflect on what areas of your life you want to focus on improving. It could be your self-esteem, relationships, career, or any other aspect that you feel needs attention. Write down your intentions and make them specific and positive. Next, it's time to craft your affirmations. Start by identifying any negative beliefs or thought patterns that are holding you back. Then, flip those negative statements into positive affirmations. Make sure your affirmations are present tense, specific, and aligned with your intentions. Write them down or create a digital copy for easy access. Now that you have your affirmations ready, it's time to practice them. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can focus without distractions. Repeat your affirmations out loud or silently to yourself. You can create a daily or weekly routine depending on your preference. Consistency is key to reprogramming your subconscious mind. To reinforce the power of your affirmations, consider incorporating different visualization techniques. Imagine yourself already embodying the positive qualities and outcomes mentioned in your affirmations. Visualize the details, emotions, and sensations to make it more real. This will help enhance the effectiveness of your affirmations. Lastly, don't forget to track your progress. Keep a journal or use a digital tool to record your affirmations and the changes you observe in your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Celebrate small wins and adjust your affirmations as needed. This will help you stay motivated and see the positive impact of your routine over time. Congratulations! You now have a step-by-step guide for beginners on creating a positive affirmations routine. Remember, consistency and belief in your affirmations are key to transforming your mindset and attracting positivity. Start implementing this routine and watch your life unfold with abundance and joy.